Okay, I'll just show you how you play music, stream audio through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Land Rover Discovery. So what we do, we go to music, we find a track that we like. I'm not going to do that one, that's depressing. Well, that's depressing too, but I like that one. So I'm going to click on play there. If you look at the bottom, if I click there at the bottom, the two symbols, the car and the person, if the tick's next to iPhone, it will play through the iPhone speaker, but the tick's next to Land Rover. That means any audio that plays on this system, if you have it set right, and the audio being iTunes, Spotify, Amazon Prime Music, a YouTube soundtrack, will play through the speakers in this car. And the speakers are brilliant in it. So it's playing. I'm going to turn it up, like so, go over to the system, and you've got here audio, video, or you can click backwards, and then you've got audio, video there. It says audio off. Now turn that down, wait for it to come back on. That's on DAB radio at the moment. We want Bluetooth, so you go to My Music. You will notice there's no plus next to My Music at the moment. So, My Music. Now there's a plus come up. I click on it again, then it gives you what you can actually have. So you've got CD, I'll do it again, it's gone off. CD, iPod, stored CDs, USB auxiliary, and Barry's iPhone. Click on there, turn it up. That's it, that's how you stream music.